Welcome back to Old Studio Car, the channel where classic machines come alive again. Today we are talking about one of the most legendary cars ever built, the 1961 Jaguar XK-E, also known as the Jaguar E-Type. Even after more than 6 decades, this car still feels like a design and engineering miracle, and in this video we will walk through its exterior presence, the driving performance it offers, its maximum speed, fuel average, and the latest price updates in today's classic car market. When the Jaguar XK-E first appeared in 1961, it completely changed how the world looked at sports cars. Even now, the exterior design feels fresh, dramatic, and timeless. The long, sculpted bonnet stretches far ahead of the driver, creating an instantly recognizable silhouette that has inspired generations of designers. The front is dominated by the oval grille, simple yet aggressive, paired with covered headlamps that were revolutionary for the time. These glass-covered headlights give the car a smooth, uninterrupted flow, enhancing its aerodynamic shape and making it look fast even when standing still. The body lines are clean and elegant, with no unnecessary creases or sharp edges. The curves flow naturally from front to rear, creating a sense of motion and balance. The low roofline and compact cabin pushed far back emphasize the car's performance-focused proportions. Chrome details are used sparingly but effectively, adding just enough luxury without distracting from the purity of the design. The wire wheels, another iconic feature, give the car a classic racing character and complete the exterior with a touch of sophistication. Even by modern standards, the Jaguar XK-E still turns heads, and many consider it one of the most beautiful cars ever made. In terms of exterior updates today, most 1961 Jaguar XK-E models you see are either carefully restored or tastefully refreshed. Owners often maintain the original paint colors but apply modern paint techniques that enhance depth and shine while staying true to the car's heritage. Panel gaps are improved during restoration, making the car look even more refined than it did when it left the factory. While purists prefer original specifications, subtle improvements in weather sealing and corrosion protection help preserve the car without altering its classic appearance. The result is a vintage car that looks authentic but feels better preserved for modern use. Now let's talk about performance, which was just as shocking in 1961 as the design. Under the long hood sits a 3.8-liter inline-6 engine derived from Jaguar's successful racing program. This engine produces around 265 horsepower, which was an incredible figure for its time. Paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, the XK-E delivered smooth yet aggressive power delivery. The engine is known for its refined sound, a deep mechanical note that builds into a thrilling roar as revs rise. Driving the Jaguar XK-E is an experience that blends elegance with excitement. Acceleration feels strong and linear, and the car responds eagerly to throttle input. The lightweight construction and advanced independent suspension give it excellent handling characteristics for a 1960s sports car. The steering is direct and communicative, allowing the driver to feel connected to the road. Disc brakes on all 4 wheels were another advanced feature, providing confident stopping power that many competitors lacked at the time. The maximum speed of the 1961 Jaguar XK-E was one of its most talked about achievements. Jaguar claimed a top speed of around 150 miles per hour, which made it one of the fastest production cars in the world at that time. Even if real-world conditions slightly reduced that figure, the fact that a road-going sports car could approach such speeds was astonishing. This performance, combined with its relatively affordable price back then, cemented the XK-E's reputation as a giant killer. Fuel average was never the main focus for a car like this, but it's still worth mentioning. The Jaguar XK-E delivers an average fuel consumption of around 14 to 16 miles per gallon, depending on driving style and condition. By modern standards, this may seem low, but for a high-performance sports car from the early 1960s, it was fairly reasonable. Most owners today treat the car as a weekend or collector vehicle, so fuel efficiency is less important than the driving experience and historical value. Now let's talk about the price update, which is a major point of interest for collectors and enthusiasts. The value of the 1961 Jaguar XK-E has increased significantly over the years. Early Series 1 models, especially those with original specifications and matching numbers, are highly sought after. In today's market, A well-maintained or professionally restored 1961 XK-E can range from around $150,000 to over $300,000. Exceptional examples, particularly rare versions or cars with documented history, can go even higher at auctions. Prices depend heavily on condition, originality, and restoration quality. Cars that retain their original engine, gearbox, and body panels command a premium. Tasteful restorations that respect factory specifications also hold strong value. While modified examples may be enjoyable to drive, they usually sit at the lower end of the price range compared to fully original cars. In conclusion, the 1961 Jaguar XK-E remains a masterpiece of automotive history. Its exterior design is still breathtaking, its performance impressive even today, and its legacy unmatched. For many enthusiasts, owning an XK-E is not just about having a car, but about owning a piece of art and engineering brilliance. This is why the Jaguar XK-E continues to be celebrated, admired, and valued across generations. Thank you for watching Old Studio Car, and we'll see you again with another timeless classic.